These are the simple steps to prepare chicken rice. The ingredients: 3 cups of rice, half a chicken, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cloves of shallots, and 1 inch of ginger thinly sliced, 1 centimeter of cinnamon, 1 piece of star anise, 2 pieces of cardamom, 3 spoons of oyster sauce, 2 screw pine leaves, a bit of turmeric powder, sugar, and salt to taste. First, heat up a bit of oil and saute the sliced garlic to fragrance, followed by the shallots. After that, put in the ginger, cardamom, star anise, and cinnamon. Stir again until fragrant and pour in 4½ cups of water. When it boils, put in the chicken, salt, sugar, and turmeric powder. When the chicken is tender, take it out and drain the oil. Blend the chicken with oyster sauce and marinate for a while. After that, put in the rice that has been cleaned into the chicken broth. Add in the screw pine leaves and stir again. Let it boil till the gravy is a bit dry. Then close the lid and let it cook with small heat. Meanwhile, heat up the oil and fry the marinated chicken. Close the lid so that it is well cooked. Flip it about, and when it's crispy, take it out and drain the oil. Chicken rice is ready to be served with the sauce.